Okay. And yes, another summer day, but the shower's not along the coast today.
Well, it's because of the cloud cover, too. The cloud cover didn't allow the heat to warm things up and create the lift that you need to create these storms in the afternoon and evening. We have a few around, but not many at all. And it looks like this weekend will be good, too. So if you have some weekend plans, we'll have a little bit more sunshine on the beach than you see on this time-lapse imagery, and it looks like a little bit of sun starting to shine there late in the period, but not much rainfall around at all across west central Florida. We've had a few isolated cells popping up here and there. Most of the activity associated with the low pressure trough that's out in the Gulf of Mexico. You can see the showers way out here. There's a little piece of energy out there, and we're going to need some of the blow off those tops of the storms into the Gulf of Mexico and then into west central Florida, keeping temperatures at bay, a little bit below average today, and not a big heat index day at all. You can see some storms developing in northwest portions of Hardee County tonight, but that activity is very weak. It's not sticking around very long. The heavy weather well to the east of our viewing area. We had some big storms near Northport starting to dry up there at Sumter Boulevard, and you can see Toledo Blade Boulevard looking better too in Northport. Things have calmed down. Peace River Shore, still some light rainfall. Punta Gorda had a pretty big cell just about an hour and a half ago, but nothing going on there now. Hidden River, as far as severe weather goes, or rough storms. Hidden River, some showers to the east of Hidden River now. That activity, again, pushing off to the northeast. Could generate a lightning strike or two like we're seeing with this cell over northwestern portions of Hardee County, just to the west of Bowling Green as it makes its way to the east, northeast. Now, we're looking pretty good tonight. Temperatures will drop down into the mid-70s, upper 70s, right around 11 o'clock with a few clouds around. So if you have any evening plans, not a problem. And the weekend's looking really good too, with limited shower activity in the forecast. Futurecast showing some showers and storms in the central Florida kind of pushing on, and then Tampa will see a few morning showers. We could see a few of those down here too. So don't be surprised by a coastal shower into the say 10, 11 o'clock hour. Then that will shift eastward, and that will be the case again on Sunday. There's a chance for a morning shower along the coast with the land breeze, but for the most part, we stay high and dry. That sea breeze will kick into the interior portions of our viewing area. Well, this upper level low continues to spin right through the Florida-Georgia border there near Jacksonville. That's where the heavier storms are now. That's creating a little bit more lift in the atmosphere. We're watching this area. We talked about Beryl earlier. Here it is, a very significant storm pushing off to the west. It looks like it could make landfall as a Category 1 hurricane, but the Hurricane Center is suggesting it could even open up to a tropical wave prior to the arrival there. So that's really come down. It was a Category 2 at the 11 o'clock advisory. Now that's gone down to a 1. Hopefully it goes down to just a tropical wave. This could be a tropical storm. If it were, its name would be Chris. 80% chance now. That's way up there. 70% over the next 2 days, 80 up the next 5 days. It'll just kind of sit out here and dance around a little bit, and then a cold front will pick it up and head to the northeast. But a couple of models have it going right on into the Outer Banks of North Carolina, so they're watching that closely in the Mid-Atlantic coast states. Now for us, boaters, not a problem out there. Not much wind for your sail, though, if you're sailing. Seas will be less than 2 feet. And as far as the 7-day forecast goes, well, here it is for you. A slight chance for showers tomorrow along the coast at 20%, a little bit better well inland. A 30% chance for a few showers on Sunday, not much at all. And then we bounce back to a 40 to 50% chance throughout the work week next week with a return to those afternoon and evening thunderstorms. Jacqueline?